Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So everybody, don't be surprised if you're using Gmail. So Gmail has been pretty much the same interface for quite a long time, and this is one of my Gmails. This is what it looks like, and this is the standard look for Gmail for pretty much everybody. Now there is a rollout of the new Gmail, and that is actually coming out for everyone eventually. It's starting to roll out, so a lot of people don't have it yet. It's going to take several weeks for it to actually apply to pretty much everybody. But at some point, they'll be rolling out, and the look is different. The things are placed differently. There will be a different way of actually having the icons and the playback. Now, it's going to be interesting to see how, composing a message and stuff like that is going to actually be different. You see here the compose on the upper left, which, is kind of here, but it's different. You see that they kind of have redesigned, changed the colors and made it a little different. There's going to be the sidebar. There's going to be a lot more stuff happening in here with this rollout, I would guess. So this is slowly, so you see here the way that it is, very, very different from what it looks like here, much more visual. And I don't know, it's going to be interesting to see if it pleases people a little more. Gmail is one of the email providers that a lot of people hate because they find that it's not necessarily that easy to understand and use. I use a lot my Gmails, but I definitely, I got accustomed to using them. But I have to say that it's true that, at first when you're not used to it and you just start using Gmail for the first time, it's like, how do I reply? Or, there are obvious questions that just aren't that clear from the start. So the new Gmail experience is rolling out. It's going to be there for everybody at some point. When I get the new Gmail experience, I will actually make a video. We'll talk about it. We'll show and compose a message. See if, where are the differences and what are the key differences that might hopefully make it a more lovable experience. We're going to call it like that. So if you're on Gmail within the next few weeks, from days to weeks, some people have it already. You could have it in the next couple of days. And it can show up only in a few weeks, but it is definitely rolling out the new Gmail experience for everyone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.